Hello you guys, today we are going to unbox Logitech multi-device K480. To turn on this device, just flip it and click on the turn on button. In this device, you will see a circle which is numbered from 1 to 3. 1 means if your device is an Android, you should go with 1. 2 means Mac and 3 means both at once, Android and Mac, both at once. So I'm just gonna go with 1 because I have an Android device. To turn on its Bluetooth, just hold it for 3 seconds. So since I'm having an Android phone, I'm just gonna go to connections and click on Bluetooth and I'm gonna turn on it. If your device is connected, you will be see that it's connected. After all of this works, now you can type. Now you are ready to type. So you may think how much this device can cost. For the shipping and all the things, it cost me $40. So guys, is it worth it of buying it? Or maybe you can rate it from 1 to 10. I'll give it 9. How much would you rate it? Thanks for watching.